After 2 weeks in Michigan, we finally meet up with our surprise guest. It's so special to spend time truck camping as a father and son duo, so of course we take advantage every chance we get. We're still exploring the Traverse City area filled with beautiful beaches, tasty wine, and plenty of rock skipping. We hope you enjoy, and welcome to Living Large Camping.
Last time you guys saw us, we were camping at a vineyard. Made our way a little bit south outside of Traverse City to camp with our special guests.
We met up with my dad and stepmom, who you guys have seen a few times. They have their Cirrus 920, and of course we had to meet up with them once they got anywhere near us, so that's what we're doing here for the next few nights.
It is both their first time in Michigan, which I'm so excited to be able to camp with them and explore this beautiful state. But today it is gray and rainy and pretty cold. It's about 50 degrees. It's supposed to clear up later, so we are very excited for that.
Even though it's raining now, we are still going to have a great day here at camp. So let's go see them, and then we'll bring you guys along in town later. Well, the rain has not really let up at all, but we're getting hungry, so that means it's lunchtime, and we're going to go over to the neighbors and eat lunch there with them. But they're on the other side of the campground, and it is raining, so we stole their Jeep.
Woo! Gary, Connor already wants a Jeep, so this doesn't help as much.
It helps a lot.
Not gonna lie, a Jeep is a perfect second vehicle to have with a truck camper because you can just pull it behind and then leave your camper, but have a vehicle to drive around in. And it's pretty fun.
It's pretty tempting. I don't think we do it anytime soon, but if we ever were gonna do it, it would be a Jeep.
We're back. There's a spare part that's just Okay, so we are back in the car. We were just hanging out inside his dad and stepmom's camper, just watching some TV shows and just relaxing in the rainy day. Since we've been hanging out all day inside, we wanted to get out and go check out the town nearby.
They came over here and explored a little bit yesterday and said that there's some cute spots for dinner, so we may stick around long enough for that, but either way, I'm excited to see something new.
It shows that there are a couple wineries and breweries here as well, so we might stop and hop around those and then grab some dinner like he said. Here we are. Come on. Over.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. So our first stop is M22, which they have wine flights along with cider, and I think that's it. So we're just gonna hang out here and then we'll go find where we are gonna have dinner.
We just had a great dinner here in this little town. It was nice to kind of come and check it out. There's definitely a lot to offer over here, especially being so close to the park, but now we're gonna head back. I think we're gonna play some cards tonight and just have a nice relaxing evening. It's still kind of gray out and the rain's on and off, so no fire tonight, but that's all right, we had one last night. Here we go.
What's your bet on who's gonna win?
It's gonna be her.
We'll keep you guys posted. Two sets of three. It's numbers, right? 2 sets of 3. It's on colors yet. Well, it has been a minute. I don't know the last time we played, sir.
We tried playing by ourselves one time. That didn't. Two people wasn't great.
That was silly.
That was not great. Good night. Have a safe trip. Here we go.
So we just got back from playing cards, and actually I came in last place. We played Phase 10, which is probably one of our favorite card games. If you all haven't played that yet, I highly recommend. You can probably find it on Amazon or something like that. It's a great game for 4, but it's about 10:30. We're pretty tired, so we're gonna wash our face, brush our teeth, and get in bed.
Amelia always laughs because I end up spilling a ton of water around the sink whenever I wash my face. Let's see if we do it this time. Not too bad, not too bad.
He likes to spill.
She said I won't be back in a while, don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough. And maybe time will make you stay. I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you?
Good morning, everybody. We had a nice simple breakfast here, and now it's time to go walk the beach. I think there is going to be some sunshine later today, which we are very excited for because the last 2 days have been gray and rainy, which is needed, but we are missing the sunshine a little bit. So, nice relaxing morning here. Now it's time to go take you on a walk.
Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely. I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good. No, he's great. Everything she wanted, packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope
There's something just so crazy to me about the beaches in Michigan because the sand is great and you feel like it should be salt water, but it's fresh water. It's always very clean and crystal clear, and they're just pretty special.
But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now.
Whoa!
That one was good.
That was like 10. Got a professional rock skipper over here, everybody.
Honestly, I can't remember if you loved me, or maybe I'm just feeling lonely. I don't know. Just let it go. But what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see.
Before we get packed up and go dump our tanks, we are way overdue for a cleaning inside the camper. Even though we aren't at the beach, it feels a whole lot like it because we bring in sand constantly, and a lot of our spots have had pretty fine dust, and it is starting to build up on the floor, so I'm going to brush and then vacuum, and it's going to feel a whole lot better in here.
Just finished cleaning up the camper. It feels so much better to sweep and vacuum. Pretty much a deep clean for us because there's a lot of sand here and it just gets tracked in constantly inside. Now that we've cleaned, it's time to pack up, which we're basically already packed up, and we are moving spots. We're gonna go dump before and fill up new water. The water we filled up with, like, I guess probably a week or 2 ago, smells weird. So we're gonna get rid of that water and fill up with new water. We don't drink it anyways, but it just smells weird in the sink, so let's get rid of that.
We're about 20 miles away now. We drove over to a Harvest Host location here on one of the arms of Little Traverse Bay. Not Little Traverse Bay.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Is it? Little Traverse Bay?
Yeah.
Near Traverse City? Cool. So we drove over here to Harvest Host. We're with Dad and Sarah still, and there's beach access right here. So we're gonna go check it out. It's a little hazy right now, but it's supposed to clear up later, and hopefully we'll get a good sunset tonight.
We're headed into town because when we drove through it, it was adorable. It is called Suttons Bay. So we're gonna go walk around there, support some of the local businesses, come back to the Harvest House, and have a great night. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us with our special guests. I know you guys know them from past videos, but every time we get to meet up with them, it is special. We always have a great time, and living full-time on the road and getting to see them is just a win.
This area of Michigan, the Traverse City area, is so pretty, and I think the beaches around here are really awesome. There's tons of great sunset views and just cute little towns, so I'm glad we got to explore some of those. I can't wait to see what the rest of the state has to offer. We will be with them for at least one more video until we part ways, so I'm excited to just keep exploring around with my dad and stepmom. It's so nice being able to meet up with them on the road because, like Amelia said, we always have a great time, great memories, and it's just stuff that we will cherish forever.
As always, thank you guys for watching.
Hope you have a large day. We will see you next video.
Bye guys.